I've been given some free mulch. So got the wheelbarrow, got a couple boxes to go pick those up in, and so I'm going to basically do a little bit of cleanup over here. Hey everyone, I hope it's a great day. This is Paul, and today I've decided I'm going to tackle another project. They've actually already started, but I'm going to go ahead and put some finale into it. And as we're watching Tabby digging into the hole in there, there's a hole that we think is a chipmunk, and I guess she was kind of hoping that it would dig out and we could get it. But anyway, I started this project several weeks ago, and what I did is I pulled the pine straw up and I laid some weed barrier cloth down, and then I put the pine straw back down. I started this project and then I ran out of weed cloth, so I kind of put it to the end of the day. So I bought more weed cloth, but I never really got around to doing it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish this side of the weed cloth, and I'm gonna go ahead and run the weed cloth along the bottom here and then fill in some gaps, and I'm gonna put some edging down. All these plants are coming out, but yeah, it's got an ugly background, so let's get started. Spread the old pine straw back over it. Same thing here. Garden staple. These two meet. Garden staple where these three meet. Move down, kind of converged three different areas here. I got a small one here. This is the one I originally ran, and we'll put one more fabric staple. Wherever I intersect fabrics, I put a fabric stapler down to kind of hold them and keep them from moving around. Piece of fabric along here. I gotta be honest with you, the little garden area looks really dingy and drab and everything. It's the end of January, but I've been given some free mulch. A little bit of cleanup over here. Now, I don't know how much of this mulch I'm going to be able to gather today. I put the landscaping cloth down to prevent some weeds, and I put that over here, and we'll finish off this area, and I guess just continue on down towards the front fence, and we'll see how much I get done today. getting towards the end of the day. Placed the edging, moved it around, and I've put my mulch in and got this area, this little island. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with this middle section, but I've still got 2 tubs full of mulch material. It's April Fool's Day, and a little worried about that tree there. I'll have to look into it a little bit. The Japanese maple has really grown. The boxwood trees and everything are starting to come up. The canna lilies are starting to come up. I'm really happy and impressed with the spreading of this ground cover. We've been throwing pine straw down here for years. A few weeks ago, I was given some chopped up wood tree mulch, and anyway, I saved some space there for a little river stream to take the water that comes out of the retaining wall there. I bought some river pebbles and some pond pebbles to kind of stick on top. I've put the rocks down and the stream is done. I have a little bit of a taper to both sides so that it'll kind of keep the debris from coming in, and I'll come out from time to time and kind of press it down some more as it rains. Mainly for a decorative task. It does take water from inside the retaining wall and the fire pit.